까먹었어? Okay, it's to be changed. What about 바꾸다?
바꿔. It's to change.
명령. 너 이거 버려. 이거 진짜 명령.
왜 다 버려?
오래됐어. That's a 명령. Command. 이것도 오래됐는데 심지어 이것도 오래됐어. Even.
Even.
중국 New Year. Okay, new member. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, what'd you get?
He got 4 delicious.
Salted caramel bites, s'mores bites, cinnamon swirl bites, and then cookies and cream bites. Wow. You also have the berry and then birthday cake.
I don't know. I can't choose.
She wants it all.
No. Because like 5 different people for 5 years, I can be the one and then go into like marriage and everything. But if this person has dated for 5 years with one person, that means this person takes the relationship really seriously.
Okay, let's make it more drastic.
Oh.
Someone who's never dated versus someone who dated 7 years.
With one person?
Yeah.
Wow.
Never dated.
Never dated.
Easy choice.
I want to be the person's first love then.
나도.
She just walks away. Would you rather have somebody like come up to you like that, like you don't know them, and they just like ask for your number or ask you on a date, or would you rather like use like a dating app?
Oh no.
둘 다 싫어.
Also depends on who the person is.
You always say that. That's always your answer.
Yeah, because that's the most important part.
Alright,
You don't
man
know
of your
who it
dreams
is.
comes
Like,
up
you
to
don't know.
you.
Yeah.
Then I'll give it a
yeah.
chance.
Actually, looks so blue.
So pretty.
Oh my god.
Oh, Yunsul is so pretty. The weather's so nice today. How do you feel? How do you feel?
Wow.
How do you feel?
좋아.
Lady.
Yeah.
Last member.
바로 갈까?
바로 갈까요?
Oh, no.
Like every drama has like
근데 진짜 동그랗게 나오네.
진짜 동그래 보여, 그치?
조셉은 잘 나왔어 근데. 이거 봐. 나 지금.
사연이 화장했네. 아! 냅다 찍기. 오, 핀터레스트 감성인데 너?
그래?
약간 야자수나무랑 찍어야 될 것 같은 느낌?
그래?
Is it really? Do I need to like? 오, 감성 있어.
you don't show it for a little bit.
Joseph, do you have tripod?
Like the
이거
like
있어?
the one that you stick to the.
아, 아니, this one doesn't have the map. 그거 없어.
소세.
So sad.
나 요즘 애프타이트가 없다.
나도.
얘네 둘 다 없다. 나만
나
있어.
지금 24시간 넘게 아무것도 안 먹었어.
난 그 정도 아니거든. 살기 위해 먹는 느낌? 배고픔만 없애는 느낌으로 막 먹어.
나도요.
응.
나 요즘 4끼 먹어.
우리 가이드 조셉. 나 요즘 my new hobby잖아. Reading.
책 읽는 거? 나 다시 이렇게 백해야 돼.
여기. I love Thai tea.
진짜. Thai tea is like really good here. 어.
Oh, it's pretty. Oh, thanks.
Thank you.
The garden.
Yes.
You can eat.
It's like 공부할 건 많다.
We were talking about
Jellycat polar bear? Pinterest. We're going to
Jellycat.
Jellycat. We're gonna go get see jellycat.
저희가 많진 않아. 괜찮아.
Okay. Polar bear 있었으면 좋겠다. Stream.
근데 저 애기 칼 들고 있어.
오. 그러니까 예쁜데? 버니밖에 없네.
너무 귀여운데?
북극곰은 없네.
야, 얼굴 가운데요. So it's like she gotta be in the middle.
Yeah, I'm so glad the brothers are walking down.
빨리 해. 좀 조금만 이렇게. 저게 뭐야?
Okay, someone explain where we going.
So we're going to Teesside. It's a boba place. It's pretty good.
It's the Galveston version of Seaside Donuts, except they have Teesside boba here.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay. No.
Wait, that is a huge horse though.
I know. So big.
Yeah, where's the signal horse? Signal?
You should have been like,
We need the blinker.
That's illegal.
straight.
We're going to Teesside Tapioca.
didn't order. You didn't order. Cannot 잘 나온다. You got it? Oh, that's so cute. What? 야, 너무 귀엽다.
It has
Wait,
little
how many
legs
tries
too.
did you do?
I did $5 for 6 tries, but it gave me 7 tries.
Can I get strawberry banana smoothie with 50% sugar?
Strawberry banana smoothie, half sweet.
Yes.
Any toppings with that?
No, that's it. I kind of want the shark in the store.
My $3. Bye.
Bye. Lock in. That's me. Thank you.
오오오오. Possum. Awesome.
Awesome possum.
Awesome.
이거를 닦고요. 바다로.
Alright, this is episode 15 in our K-drama.
이거야.
What are you looking for? Welcome to Galveston. 호주야. We are going to Sadie's dorm. That's Sadie's dorm. Okay, empty. Stop. 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 Ding 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 ding. Wait. Oh. Wow. Welcome to Sadie's dorm. Wow. Say hi to my vlog. Perfect.
It's actually such
It's like 70 degrees.
Yeah.
Wait, we should go outside. It's pink. Wow. Good job. Okay, where are we going for dinner?
저 새우 하나만 더 먹고.
Ta-da. Bye, Sadie.
Bye, Sadie.
We saved you. Bye.